Hello again, this is the Soleburn Garden Centre. Let's check it out. Of course, I've come on a Sunday, so it's going to be packed. That's a problem with visiting with my parents, because you always have to go to a garden centre. You always have to have a cup of tea and a scone or something in the cafe. Well, it's almost lunchtime anyway, so let's go and look.
And I'm thinking that's better the joint of Vienna reason and never got a chance. Aye, aye.
Well, my brother's tried phoning them twice, but it turns out he's in Spain.
Well, it's definitely well stocked. Adopt a puppy. Garden furniture. Some big pots. I don't think I'll get one in my suitcase though, for when I go back. Well, it's certainly a popular and well-stocked garden centre, and it's been here for years. I mean, when I first came to Scotland back in the 80s, I was brought here by my aunt and my uncle for a cup of tea and a scone. So, I'll go and grab a cup of tea and a scone and meet you there. Well, no scones by all account, they've sold out. It is busy though. So I've got myself a millionaire shortbread and cappuccino. It's very hot. The first time I ever had millionaire shortbread, it was here. That was back in the mid-1980s, I think it was. So let's see if it's still as good as it was back then. There's a lovely crumbly buttery shortbread at the bottom. The caramel layer is nice and chewy. It's not too runny, it's not too hard. It's just right. The top layer of chocolate. It tastes a bit like that sort of catering chocolate, but it's not unpleasant. That's delicious. Let's see if this coffee is any good. It certainly smells quite nice. Oh, it's lovely and hot. The coffee's strong, not too bitter. Lovely mouthfeel with the milk and the chocolatey topping as well. Well, certainly is as good as I remember it. Right, I'll finish this up and crack on. So, there you have it. Soleburn Garden Centre. If garden centre's your thing, worth a visit. And if it's not, well, the cafe's alright. Didn't have any scones though, shame. Anyway, thank you for watching.